guys, Shelly's Homemade, and today, guys, we're going to be making some chicken bites, um, garlic Parmesan chicken bites. So to get started, first thing we're going to do, we're going to fry these up. So we're going to cut them into bite-sized pieces. I've already started. I have my kitchen shears here. This is a quick and easy way to get this done without messing up a chopping board, without doing all that other extra stuff. So we're just going to cut these up just like this into bite-sized pieces. That's why they are called chicken bites. And then you can dress this up any way you want, or you can just eat them just like this without having to add any type of sauces to it. You can add buffalo sauce. You can add whatever you like, guys. Sky is the limit. You can make some honey obey chicken bites, garlic Parmesan chicken bites like I'm doing today. You know, this is a quick weeknight meal. Quick weeknight meal, and they don't all have to be the same size, guys. You can just cut them out in whatever size you feel like it. And there you go. These have been washed in salt and lemon water. I put them back after I cleaned them, washed them. I put them back into the freezer to harden up enough so that the scissors would just cut right through. I have some buttermilk here. We're just going to pour the buttermilk right on to our chicken. We have some sugar-free barbecue seasoning, our barbecue rub. Let's get some on there, not a lot. Shelly's house seasoning, it's mandatory. Salt, pepper, seasonal, garlic, onion powder. You know, there. And some hot sauce to lighten up my life with a little hot sauce. Alright. Isn't that wonderful? And just take a spoon right in here. Just get it all in. Just like this. And just let it get all marinated in there to help make this tenderize and make juicy, crispy chicken, guys. Now, if you wanted to add an egg to this, it would make it even more crispier. But we're not going to do that today. We're just doing this. So, we're going to move this to the side, like so. We're going to pull down. This is 2 cups of all-purpose flour, guys. 2 cups. It's about a half a cup of cornstarch in here. We're just going to put that in there. This, because we're out of cornstarch, we'll have to go to the store. We have some baking powder. A couple tablespoons of baking powder. We're going to add some of this chipotle sugar-free grill seasoning. So that's about 2 tablespoons of that. And we're going to add about 3 to 4 tablespoons of Shelly house seasoning. Which is salt, pepper, seasonal, garlic, onion powder. I say in every video what's inside of it, so you'll know that it's going to be some great seasoning. And you can make it yourself. This is my house seasoning. Alright. Bring this back over. Our little chicken bites. We're going to get a few into our flour, just like this, guys. Shake off that extra. Just shake it off. shake, 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 shake what your mama gave ya. Shake, 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 shake what your mama gave ya. Oh yeah. Alright. So then we're gonna move over to the stove, guys. Alright, that sounds, yep, nice and hot. Get it in there. Get some bites. Shake off that extra flour, guys. Pop them babies in there. And that baking powder that I added is going to make it nice, airy, light, and crispy along with the cornstarch. So don't sleep on what I just did, guys. Don't sleep on it now. Doesn't take long to cook up. They tiny little bites of good heaven. We're going to add some french fries with these. They just store-bought, not homemade. Everything don't have to be homemade just because the name is Shelly's Homemade. So when we're working on our last batch of chicken bites, what we're going to do is start our sauce. And they already starting to float to the top, so you know this is not going to take no time at all. You came home from work, you're busy, you're tired, and you see how quick this went, and especially using those scissors. I'm trying to give y'all shortcuts and easy ways to do stuff, and you don't have to like work your poor self to death trying to get a good meal on the table. Trust me, I know. I have 6 children. No. Been there, done that. Look how beautiful. It's already starting to cook up. Look at this. Even down to the last batch. And if I didn't tell you guys, it was 7 boneless, skinless chicken thighs. And look. All this chicken. I'm going to show y'all guys all the chicken that this thing made. This is enough to feed an army. And it was 3 big batches. 4 big batches. Trying to get it out. Of these chicken bites. Yeah, I'm going to scoop out all of this because I'm going to put my fries in. And just get it in. And then we're going to move over to the stove. Move over to the other side of the stove. And make, I don't know what is going on today. I'm trying to get my fries open. So these are extra crispy fries. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's Idaho super crispy shoestring fries. Probably gonna be that's enough. Alright, I'm not really a big fry fan. I mean, I eat french fries, I'm just not like, oh, that's the first thing I run to. More of a onion ring girl. Alright, so we're going to let these come back up to temp. As you know, they were frozen. They dropped the temperature, and now it's got to build this stuff back up. and fry like I wanted to. So now that the garlic and the butter has melted down so beautifully, guys, so beautifully, guys, let's add some garlic powder to this. So we're going to add about a teaspoon of garlic powder to that. Get it all mixed in. That is beautiful, guys. That is so freaking beautiful. You just smell the garlic in there. Alright, sauce is done. All we do, pull this over our chicken. So let's move this out of the way. Matter of fact, wait a minute. I'll erase that. Okay, so this made a whole aluminum pan full of chicken bites. So we're going to take that garlic sauce that we made and just gently pour it right over. Now make sure it's hot when you pour it. Right over. Don't worry, you can get the garlic in there too. It's fine. Just drizzle it right over. Just like that. Take your Parmesan. Just sprinkle it right over. Just 2 handfuls will do. There you have it. Chicken Parmesan bites, guys. Alright. So, we're going to plate this baby up when I come back. I'm just going to move it around a little bit. Get a little shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake your booty. Alright. So, when I come back, I'm going to plate this whole thing up. Garlic Parmesan chicken bites, guys. Take a look. Look at this. Oh, man, look at that. Look at that. You see the cheese on that, baby? Oh, man, I'm just digging all through it. Look at that. And the crispy fries. Oh, yeah. That was good. That's real good. Try it the way I tried. Like, share, and subscribe, guys. Follow me on my social media page. And just, again, like, share, and subscribe. I can't say it enough. Newcomers, my new subscribers, welcome, welcome, welcome. And I really do appreciate everything you've done for me. And as always, guys, have a wonderful day. And I'll see you in the next video. Look how crispy those are.